are your thoughts na tinatawag kang Nation's Darling?
Sino ba kasi nagpauso niya? Sino nag-una-una niya? Kayo. Hindi ko kayo. No. Kayo talaga yan ba? Hindi ko talagang kasi, to be real with you po, inside the house, I've gained genuine relationships with Pamilya de Guzman. So, maybe it came from there being, Ate Clang being the nation's mom. So, siguro ginawa nila akong nation's darling. So, pero sinakyan na siya ng lahat. Kaya sabi ko talaga, nakakakinig naman. Meron akong title ba? Kumbaga, parang kumplito ka na na storya. May title ka na ba? Oo, may moniker na. Kasi I introduce myself, Kapuso Island Girl, Island Ate ng Cebu. Because that's also me, but like, to be labeled as nation's darling, it's like, grabe naman yung nation talaga, no? Tsaka darling talaga. Pero kung yan yung gusto nyo, kanya-kanya naman tayong trip, hala. Support po ako sa gusto nila.